Have you ever wondered why your TikTok feed seems to know you better than your best friend? Or how Google magically pulls up exactly what you're searching for in seconds? And what if I told you that the same invisible force is quietly shaping your daily decisions? From what you eat for breakfast to how you navigate traffic, that force is called an algorithm. Today, we're diving into what is an algorithm, the simple formula that runs Google, TikTok, and you. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more mind-blowing explanations. Let's jump in. Imagine you're baking your grandma's famous chocolate chip cookies. You don't just throw flour, eggs, and chocolate into a bowl and hope for the best. No, you follow a recipe. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Step 2. Mix butter and sugar until creamy. Step 3. Add eggs one at a time, and so on, until you pull out those golden treats. That recipe, it's basically an algorithm. At its core, an algorithm is just a set of step-by-step instructions to solve a problem or achieve a goal. It's like a roadmap that tells you exactly what to do, in what order, to get from point A to point B without getting lost. The word algorithm comes from a 9th century Persian mathematician named Al-Khwarizmi, who basically invented systematic ways to solve math problems. Fast forward to today, and algorithms are powering everything from your phone's autocorrect to self-driving cars. They're not magic, they're logic. If this happens, do that. Simple, right? But when you stack thousands of these if-then rules together, they become incredibly powerful. Picture yourself deciding what to wear in the morning. Your brain runs a mini algorithm. Step 1. Check the weather app. Is it raining? If yes, grab the umbrella and waterproof boots. If no, move to step 2. What's on the agenda? Office meeting. Go for the button-up shirt. Gym. Sweatpants, it is. Step 3. Factor in comfort. Too hot for jeans. Swap 2 shorts. Boom, outfit chosen. That's you running an algorithm without even thinking about it. Our brains do this all the time to make decisions efficiently. Now, scale that up to tech giants and you'll see why algorithms rule the world. Take Google, for example. When you type best pizza near me into the search bar, Google's algorithm doesn't just spit out random results. It's like a super smart librarian sorting through billions of books in a massive library. The algorithm, called PageRank, named after Larry Page, one of Google's founders, follows steps like this. First, it scans the entire web for pages mentioning pizza. Then it ranks them based on relevance. Does the page actually talk about pizza places? Next, it checks popularity. How many other trusted sites link to this page? It's like asking, hey, if all the cool kids are recommending this spot, it must be good. It also factors in your location, past searches, and even the freshness of the info. Is this restaurant still open? All this happens in milliseconds, thanks to the algorithm crunching data at lightning speed. Without it, the internet would be a chaotic mess, like trying to find a needle in a haystack blindfolded. Now, let's talk TikTok, the app that's probably stolen hours of your life with endless scrolling. TikTok's algorithm is a master matchmaker for videos and viewers. It's called the For You Page FYP algorithm, and it's designed to keep you hooked. Here's how it works in simple steps. When you open the app, it starts with a basic feed based on popular trends. But as you watch, like, comment, or skip videos, the algorithm learns. Step 1. Track what you engage with. Did you watch that cat video all the way through? Noted. Step 2. Analyze patterns. You like funny pet clips, dance challenges, and cooking hacks. It connects the dots. Step 3. Recommend similar content from creators worldwide. It's like a personal DJ curating a playlist just for you. But here's the engaging twist. It uses machine learning, a fancy type of algorithm that improves over time. Like how you get better at a video game the more you play. The goal: maximize your watch time because the longer you stay, the more ads TikTok can show. Relatable, huh? We've all fallen down that rabbit hole where one video turns into 50. And what about you? Algorithms aren't just in apps. They're influencing your life in sneaky ways. Think about your Netflix recommendations or Amazon's You Might Also Like suggestions. These are algorithms analyzing your past choices to predict what you'll want next. It's like having a mind-reading shopping buddy. Even your GPS app, like Google Maps, runs algorithms to find the fastest route. It calculates distance, traffic, road closures, and even predicts delays based on historical data. Imagine driving without it. You'd be stuck in jams, yelling at the steering wheel. On a deeper level, algorithms shape society. Social media algorithms can create echo chambers, showing you only opinions you agree with, like being in a room full of yes men, or in hiring. Algorithms scan resumes to filter candidates, but if they're biased from flawed data, they might unfairly exclude people. That's why understanding them matters. They're tools we built, but they can amplify our best and worst traits. To wrap this up, an algorithm is that simple formula, a series of logical steps that solves problems efficiently. It's the recipe for Google's search dominance, TikTok's addictive feeds, and even your morning routine. But remember, like any tool, it's only as good as how we use it. Next time you scroll or search, think about the invisible steps happening behind the screen. If this video helped demystify algorithms for you, give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who's always glued to their phone, and comment below. What's the most mind-blowing algorithm you've encountered? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.